What's the fastest way to stay broke? Keep making these 5 money mistakes. But stick around because mistake number 5, let's just say it's about your partner and things might get awkward. Ready? Let's dive in. Mistake number 1. You get a raise and suddenly, you're upgrading your entire life. Fancy dinners, designer clothes, and that shiny car. But here's the thing. If your spending grows as fast as your income, your wallet is still crying. The fix? Save first, spend later. Your future self will thank you, trust me. Next up, mistake number 2. Saving without investing. If your cash is just sitting in your bank account, it's basically napping while inflation eats it alive. Instead, send your money to the gym, invest in stocks, ETFs, or even a side hustle. Remember, lazy money equals lost money. Mistake number 3. Investing every cent you've got without a backup plan. One car breakdown later, and you're selling shares faster than you can say, financial panic. Build your emergency fund first. It's not glamorous, but neither is calling your parents for cash. Mistake number 4. Credit cards are like fire. They're useful, but dangerous. Sure, they get you points and perks, but miss one payment, and suddenly, you're in the debt spiral. Here's the fix. Treat your credit card like a loan shark. Use it, but don't owe it anything. And now, mistake number 5. The juicy one. Choosing a partner who can't agree with you on money. Imagine this. You're saving for a house, but your partner is out buying a yacht. Or worse, NFTs. Money fights are one of the biggest relationship killers. The fix? Talk money early. Are they a saver, spender, or secret online shopper? Remember, love is blind, but your budget shouldn't be. So, how many of these mistakes have you made? Be honest, mistake 5 hit close to home, didn't it? Don't worry, fixing them is easier than you think. If you want more tips served with a side of humor, hit that subscribe button. Let's laugh and save together. See you next time.